PMS is not just some bad luck with genetics or a part of womanhood. It's a sign that something is out of balance, and it means that your body is crying out for help. But because so many people deal with it, it's normalized and we're not actually getting the help that we need. So I'm here to tell you that no woman should be experiencing PMS, and let's look into the deeper issue. By the end of this video, you're going to learn the 3 biggest reasons why PMS is happening and why most quick fixes don't actually work. The number one reason you have PMS is due to estrogen dominance. This means that you have too much estrogen recirculating into your system. Too much estrogen looks like bloating and water retention, mood swings and irritability, breast tenderness and headaches, and heavy, painful periods. So why does this happen? You may have poor estrogen detox. This means your liver is not clearing out the excess estrogen. Number 2, you may have too much synthetic estrogen floating around in your system. This can be due to plastics, hormonal birth control, and processed foods. And inside the Cycle Trinity program, I help you get to the root cause of what is contributing to your issue, as well as help you to eliminate painful periods and PMS altogether. So if that's been something that's been running your life, then go ahead and click the link in the description and it'll take you right there. Reason number 2 is going to be blood sugar imbalances. This is why PMS cravings are so bad. PMS cravings, mood swings, and energy crashes are actually blood sugar crashes caused by hormonal shifts. And reason number 3, nutrient deficiencies. Your body needs specific nutrients to produce hormones and to regulate PMS symptoms. And if you want to learn more about these nutrient deficiencies, check out this video here. And of course, in the Cycle Trinity program, I do break down all of the nutrients that you need. You even get a full nutrient guide and grocery list that actually breaks down everything you need when it comes to your hormone production. And you also get access to a nutrient logger that's completely synced with your cycle, so you'll know if you're actually deficient in nutrients or not. One of my favorite vitamins to take, especially for women, and trust me, who wants to take a million pills all at once, is actually from the brand Ladywell. Ladywell is so helpful when it comes to keeping your hormones balanced and taking care of any cycle irregularities. I hooked you all up and got you all a nice little discount, so you can click down below to get your bottle of Ladywell at a discounted rate utilizing the code below. So the biggest thing I want you to know is that PMS is not about just being a woman. It's a sign that your hormones are completely out of sync. And the worst part of all is that so many women think that this is normal, they overlook it, and guess what? This contributes to even worse symptoms. When you have too much estrogen circulating in your body, you might run the risk of developing fibroids, uterine issues, and problems with your breast tissue as well. And it can only get worse from here. So I want to make sure that you are fully taken care of and you're thriving as a woman. So rather you want to do the Cycle Trinity program that allows for you to get deep into the trenches of taking care of your body within 3 months, or just a simple 6-week hormone reset to learn how to start taking care of your hormones, whichever works best for you, the link is down in the description. All right, if you found this video to be valuable, then please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and share with your besties so we can step into wellness together as women. I think it's so important that we learn this information and we feel our very best. Thank yourself so much for showing up today, and thank you for tuning in to Divine Feminine Wellness.